What I want to say to all pregnant mothers or all mothers aspiring to get pregnant, the moment you realize you're pregnant, you go to the hospital. First of all, ask for it.
Right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode on Birth and Beyond podcast. Today, we're talking about one of the important things you need to do whilst you are in the process of trying to give birth. Yeah, Portia, welcome.
Thank you.
I want you to take us through the important things that we need to do, in anticipation of the delivery of our baby.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for today too, and thanks for everyone subscribing. So today we're going to talk about preparation before you give birth. I've come to a realization that most of the time we don't prepare for that because we feel like, oh, when the time is due, we'll get a few things we need and just go in for the birth, which is not right. A lot of people come in and the most essential things, the most important things, they miss out.
So what I want you to touch on is some of the key things that, it might differ from hospital to hospital, but I think there are certain things that really cut across every pregnant woman
will have
here. So if you can walk us through.
Yes, so what I want to say to all pregnant mothers or all mothers aspiring to get pregnant, the moment you realize you're pregnant, you go to the hospital. First of all, ask for a checklist.
Okay.
What will I need for my birth and in the hospital?
The moment you see you are pregnant.
Yeah, you don't have to wait because I realized that when you wait till the ending of the birth, like let's say till the 9 months, the expenses are so much. Because you yourself, you have to save.
Okay.
Like, after birth, you're going to pay money. In most of countries, we pay. Other countries, it might be free, but most countries pay.
Okay.
So you paying that money at that same month you are giving birth.
Okay. And
still going to get the things you need at that same month, I think is very costly. I know a lot of people are well-to-do and they say, oh, I can manage it. But one thing is, most of the people miss the right things even to buy because they're in a haste to get all the things in one month.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
So I want to say that from experience, this is just more than being a midwife. No, like coming down to a normal woman who has given birth.
Yeah,
I think immediately you know you're pregnant, you start preparing.
Okay,
you can get a checklist.
Okay.
Then you take it according to month. Every month, what will I buy?
Okay, so you get a list and then you break it down. Every month. And
every month, what can I buy? So that you don't put a lot of pressure on yourself or your partner. So every month, what can I buy? You buy a few of the things and you save it. And one thing I want us to know is you can get a bag for it.
Okay, yeah, I remember I got a bag,
Get a bag. There's a lot of people have the kind of bags they want to take to the hospital. By me, in particular, I don't like to take suitcases to hospital.
Okay.
Because of infection prevention.
Oh.
But some people are good to go. You can choose your normal bag you want, but I always like a simple bag that can be disposed.
So like a Ghana must go or something like that.
This times you have a flashy and nice one.
Okay, disposable.
If you're like somebody who likes cartoons like me, you get a flashy ones with cartoons on them, but it's disposable and it's not that expensive.
Okay.
You can pack all your things in that one. So you can get the bag first.
Okay.
Then everything you need, you start buying them. So this month I bought a piece, I put it in there, I take it.
Okay.
Then you keep it in the bag. So the reason why I'm saying you keep everything in the bag is this will help you. Sometimes the delivery comes spontaneous.
Oh yeah.
Most of the time. Anybody in the house, you show the person, can you pick this particular bag? That person will pick everything you need all together because it's in one bag. There are some people that put everything anywhere they want. And during childbirth, when it happens spontaneously, they call somebody, can you get my nappies? Can you get this? And the person will be like rushing in the house. Going helter-skelter for the same thing.
I think it really makes it, because one thing I also noticed that you don't know when you start to either
go into labor.
So what if you don't have someone at home? What if you get like a taxi driver or someone to help you? All you need to do is, okay, can you pick this black bag for me? And
that's it.
That's very, very important. Yeah,
And those who drive, like you have a car,
Yeah.
you can just pack your things you need, put it at the back of the car. If you know you like 36 weeks and above,
Okay.
you know you can go into
So if you're
labor.
getting closer.
You're getting closer. You just pack it, you leave it in the car. Even if you're not in the house,
Yeah.
anybody that goes in there, you go, can you check my car? It's in there. The person can pick it from the car and just bring it to you.
Nice one.
It's
Nice
so
one.
simple. Instead of we scattering everything just because you are going to give birth.
Okay.
Everything. One thing is here, the other one is there. No. Get a nice bag.
Okay.
If you've not been able to buy your bag, as at this time you are speaking, you can get any bag.
Okay.
For the meantime, till you buy the bag of your preference, you pack everything in it.
Okay. Nice. I mean, just to put everything together, right? What we've discussed. So we're saying that the bag is very important because, you know, it helps you put all the things you need at one place.
Yeah.
So that at the time or the unexpected can happen where they have to rush you to the hospital, right? So you can just pick your bag and then move ahead.
Yeah.
And then go. And then you mentioned that you usually prefer the disposable bag, right?
Yeah.
To the, you know, the suitcases that you have to, you know, return back. Or can you throw a little light on that one so that at least, you know, our viewers will know why we need to get that disposable?
Okay, the reason why I won't always prefer a disposable bag is infection prevention.
Okay.
Cautions with that, because when you're in labor, you go to most of the hospitals, you go to a triage room.
Okay.
They will assess you and know is it true labor or whatever.
If you say triage, what are you?
Like the first point of contact at the hospital.
Okay.
That is where they're going to check if indeed it's labor or it's not labor. And from there you'll be moved to a labor ward. From that place, you carrying your bag. To a labor ward, you have to carry your bag to. From the labor ward, you'll be taken to a postnatal ward, that is after bed, where you go.
Okay.
And you'll be transferring this same bag.
I see.
And you know, hospital, we all know, like, we've got a lot of infection in there. So you transferring same bag to these places. And when we come back home, you always forget to even clean the bag, wash it.
Okay.
Most of them is just her normal suitcase. So when she comes back, it's in the hall, it's in everywhere. She takes it back to the room.
Okay. So in this case, what I want to know is, okay, if I buy the disposable bag, right, and then I've got my things in, I'm done with birth.
When I come, immediately you get to the house.
Okay, you take the items and then
you take your items, you throw the disposable bag away.
All right. Yeah.
Because it's so easy.
All right. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.